Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we're down here at 5 Bar, and it's not a good day. A friend of mine who's got a 2019 Mustang GT with a Whipple Stage 2 kit on it ended up having problems, very much the same problems that I had. The engine started to not run so good, it's blowing a little bit of smoke, and we had to bring it down to the shop and try to find out what's wrong with it. This is not the kind of thing that I like to report, but let me take you inside, let me show you what's going on. Okay, there it is, guys. Beautiful 2019 Mustang GT. This is a 10R80 car, performance pack, and it's equipped with a Whipple Stage 2 kit. Now, like I said before, something went wrong with it, and was surprised. Actually, this is the last car I expected to have this problem. Back in May of 2019, I featured this car in a video, and this is what I said about this car back then. Okay, this car's equipped with a Whipple and all that other stuff, but let's listen to it and see what it sounds like. Guys, this is the quietest Gen 3 Coyote I've heard yet. Okay, so now she's in the shop, and as you can see right here, okay, we've just bore scoped the motor. And I don't have the bore scope just yet, but maybe I can get it from Joe. But we got cylinder scoring, and we got probably some other issues when we pull the motor apart. Like I say, this engine was smoking a little bit and making a little bit of noise, and it's going to have to be replaced. So we're going to follow this build and see how it goes. But while I have the chance, let me show you the car. Okay, well, here it is, guys. This is a beautiful Stage 2 install. There's really no issue with the blower as far as I'm concerned. A lot of these engines have developed cylinder scoring even without the Whipple. And it just so happens that this one, as good as it sounded back in May, she developed the same problems that a lot of people have with these Gen 3s. Now, not everybody is having these problems, guys. I have friends all over the country that have these kinds of packages, and not everybody is having this problem. I know a guy who has a Stage 1 kit just like the one on my car on the stock motor. He's doing just fine. No issues, no problems. But, you know, these things happen. I don't know really too much to say about it, but we're going to have to pull this motor out, put a new one in. Well, that's the way it goes sometimes, guys. Things don't always go the way you expect, and they don't go the way you want. Some people have gotten lucky with these cars, and unfortunately the owner of this car didn't get so lucky. So we're going to follow this build. I got a lot to bring you about it, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.